It's your travel agent, David, and today we are in Zurich. We're about to depart to the airport to go to Barcelona, and we're going to go take a look at the HB. So the HB is short for Hofbahnhof. I hope I said that right. Station. This is the largest train station in Zurich. It's over 100 years old. It's closer to 200 years old than it is 100 years old. They run about 3,000 trains through here a day, so it's very, very busy. And it's just in a great location downtown. You get to pretty much everything. Like Old Town's right behind me. About a mile that way is Lake Zurich. So you're around everywhere that has everything to look at. So let's go check out the Zurich train station. When you come to the train station, they will have several of these little kiosks right here. They are multi-language stations, so you can come over here and pick out your tickets. We got our tickets 2 days in advance, so you can pick the date. You just got to look at the date, tap it, and you'll be able to adjust the date for a future time frame. And it'll give you a ticket that's good for with an hour span. Inside this train station proper, they do have several restaurants here, different snack shacks, things like that. If you go down one level, it'll take you to one of the largest underground malls in Europe. If you're coming here and you need to go to one of the platforms that's subterranean, you come over here, follow the sign for the police, and there's 2 lifts right there for you. The current time this morning is 7:40. So they're showing from 7:40 to 8:12 for all the trains. So you're going to get about 32 minutes worth of train station notifications. you're traveling through Zurich and you're just gonna be here for the day, but you got your luggage on the first sub-level floor, they have a bunch of lockers here that you can put your storage in, various sizes for you. And let's see if I can find out how much it costs to do that. English prices. So it's 3 francs for a 6-hour period for small, and it is $8 francs for medium, 10 for large, 12 for extra large, and 15 extra large for 6 hours. There are over 190 stores here in this mall, from restaurants to a grocery store, pharmacy, other types of services. I mean, you even have Sephora down here. There's just a lot of things that you can do here to kill time if you've got time to kill between your trains. We're going to the airport, and the platform we have to go to is 4142. And here in this airport, it seems like all the downstairs are stairs and the escalators are up. So it's gonna be fun carrying luggage down because we're far away from where the lifts are. Just be prepared if you're coming down. Oh, if you come past the Fuss and the Co-op, there's actually a set of escalators that go down a little bit further. As far as food options out here, there are several little cafes in here. A lot of, I'll call them delis. I'm not sure what they are, but they have pastries, they have sandwiches, things like that. You have Subway, you have Burger King, you have Dunkin' Donuts. There's a lot of different options in here for you if you're hungry. You got the Co-op, so you can get some fresh fruit, things like that. So it's pretty nice. It's a nice station too. It reminds me a lot of Japan, just not as busy. This station is known as Zurich Hauptbahnhof, which is short for HB here in Zurich, or Zurich HB. And it was opened in August of 1847. They run over 3,000 trains through here a day. So it's one of the busiest here in Switzerland. If you find yourself coming to an escalator and the escalator's not running, just step towards the escalator. The escalators are motion censored to save electricity. They're not broken or off. If you're going to be here for a little bit, but you don't want to get out of the station too far, right across the street is the Museum of History. And that building is one of the newer buildings, according to our tour guide yesterday. It's only about 100 years old. We are back to our main level. Now, if you are heading out through the train station, they do have trams there. You can get a one-day ticket for the tram. I want to say it was like 9 francs for the day. So there's a tram station right out in front. If you need to get a bus, because you're taking a bus somewhere or you're bringing a bus in, you're going to go out by the last platform by the museum, and you're going to walk about 3 to 5 minutes, and the bus station will be over there, right next to Starbucks. How convenient. Well, that completes our time here at the Zurich train station, the HB. If you have any questions about it, let me know, and I'll do my best to answer them. Appreciate you joining me around for this trip. If you can do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. It would really help me out, and I would appreciate it. Until next time, I'll see you next trip.